Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the opening Beauty Store and Spa 2025. It is my pleasure to welcome you to this event. Before it starts, let me introduce myself. My name is Febrianti, and I'm your host for today, exactly for 3 hours ahead. This event contains several sections, so let me read it for you. The first is official opening of the venue, the second is introducing product, and the third is photo section. Well, absolutely, today's agenda will be great, so I hope you guys can put full attention for all our speakers for today. Let's begin this event with greeting that will be delivered by Mrs. Siska. Please welcome, and time is yours.